and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1967 Plymouth Belvedere convertible. This is a, if you've seen the movie Tommy Boy, this is a Tommy Boy recreation vehicle. Gentleman had it restored and had it restored like the Tommy Boy car. Matter of fact, there is a copy of the movie in the glove box of the car. Older restoration. I took the car in on trade. Good car, hits the road good. Again, older resto, you can nitpick at it a little bit, but a good car. It's got a healthy aluminum headed 440 underneath the hood, automatic trans, 355 sure grip in the rear. They've upgraded it to disc brakes. Matter of fact, it looks like it's got a newer K-member in it. Power convertible top. Again, it's that bright blue metallic. Car's got a real good look. It goes down the road. It's real nice. Good driver. Again, good sounding 440 underneath the hood. A couple little touch-up marks you're gonna notice, but got a little Chrysler etching there in the glass. New top. They didn't replace the top. It's power top. I hate taking pictures with top-ups, but unfortunately we got spit and rain here. It's got the glass rear window. We got the boot. The boot is in the trunk for the car. Okay, another little touch-up mark there. Mark in the bezel. Tail panel looks really good. Car straight down the sides, sitting on 15 by 8 American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels. It's got Goodyear Eagles all the way around it. Oh, you can open the hood, Dale, I'm sorry. And it looks, when you look under there, I took some pictures, it looks like they changed out the whole K-member. Looks like they put a new K-member in there. They did put disc brakes on it, and you can go ahead and open those doors and stuff too, Ed, or Dale. So they've upgraded all that. Again, aluminum headed 440. It's got the Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, nice little cam in it, aluminum heads, electronic ignition. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner with a Mopar Performance valve covers, power steering, Mopar radiator. It's got the Borgeson power steering unit too, so they upgraded the power steering unit. Again, power disc brakes, 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. I think there's a new thing for underneath the hood there too. A new insulation pad. I think they put that in the trunk. High flow water pump. Sorry guys if you're seeing little, it's the wind's blowing and it's kind of spitting a little rain here. Remote mirror, again it's got the original A-pillar chrome, just kind of pick it in a little bit. Same thing, those are the original door handles. I believe this interior is actually original. Factory bucket seats. Seat looks good. Again, it is a power top, factory dash, showing 25,000. I don't know what the actual miles is on the restoration. Put an aftermarket oil pressure gauge. AM radio works, blower motor works. Again, there is a Tommy Boy video in the glove box. 8 3/4 with a 355 steel grip rear axle. Yeah, there's the boot. And I know normally I take convertibles with the top down, but there's this weather's not the best today. I didn't want to freeze Dale out. And again, that's new insulation for everything underneath the hood. As always, if you go to our website, there's going to be multiple photos underneath of all the cars. We make sure we post all that stuff. Again, radio works, all the gauges worked, all the lights and turn signals worked. Go ahead, Dale. Belt squeaking there, but like I say, good running car, hits the road real good. Not crazy fast, but it runs strong. It's a neat little car, like I say. Yeah. All the gauges are functional. Yeah, holding good oil pressure. The radio works, blower motor works. Got a nice little cam to it. You'll hear it working back here. A little rev, Dale. Our run's good. And radio does work, blower motor works, all the gauges in there are functional. You know, the wipers work. Yep. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Good looking car. I love 67s. That's my favorite body style right there.